Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Pulp Girls Tarot deck, a 78 card deck of magic and affirmations. This, as I'm filming, is a brand new release, so I am really excited about it. I have seen some of the Pulp Girls art around social media, so I'm hoping that this is exciting. So this retails for $24.99 in the US, $16.99 in the UK, and $32.99 in Canada, published by Rockpoint. And as always, in the description box below, I will link everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And that being said, in the description box, there is a link tree that you can find all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So check that out as well. All right, tap into your intuition and connect with your inner self. The Pulp Girls Tarot deck will guide you through the major and minor arcana with powerful affirmations, reflections, and gorgeous artwork to help you on your spiritual journey. Learn how to properly read the cards and about common card spreads. Simplified card meanings make deciphering each card's message easy. Look within and use your new magical tools to steer you on the right path. This kit includes an accessible 96-page booklet and 78 beautifully illustrated cards filled with pulp art. So the packaging is kind of like the hinge packaging there. We've got a ribbon. I did take the liberty to take the cellophane off the cards so you didn't have to see me struggle. There's the inside. All right. Moving on, let's just take a peek at the guidebook real fast. We'll go more in depth when we pull a card. So we have reading the cards and deck energy, and then it goes into the major and minor. Cute. I love the little safety note there. That's awesome. So then we have choosing a spread, one card, yes or no questions, daily draw for that. Awesome. 3-card spread. Gives you different examples of that. And then we have the Celtic cross. Reading the cards. Nice. All right. And then we go into all of the, there looks to be really good information here, so I'm excited. Okay. Here's the back. There's like a slight gloss. I wouldn't call it a very glossy cardstock, but it is there, as you can see with the ring light. Okay, let's take a peek at the cardstock. It's on the thinner side, but it's snapping back, so that's okay. Again, everybody has their cardstock preferences. As long as it's not paper thin, I'm okay with it. I like to be able to have a flexible cardstock to shuffle through. Looks like we're going to be keeping with a lot of the Rider-Waite-Smith symbols and themes. Number on top, title on the bottom. I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer. The art is fun. Okay, so I believe it's going to be a more feminine deck. I know some of you have mentioned in the past that that is not your preference. You like to have the masculine energy in there as well. Love it so far. I really don't have any complaints. Yet. Oh, that's fun. It kind of reminds me of the modern witch tarot. Just how they modernized the Rider-Waite-Smith deck. And it has a lot of Divine Feminine in that as well. Oh my gosh, the checkered shoes. I'm getting a flashback. I haven't caught it all in the... I've only caught a few of them, but I've seen the zodiac signs. Oh, there it is. So yeah, that's a great little addition. That's really pretty. I like that it's not a naked baby. Just my personal preference. You know, I really do like this so far. And again, everyone has their own likes, so some of you might not vibe with this, and that's okay. That's why we do these videos. That outfit is amazing. So is that one. Oh my gosh. I love a good bell bottom or a flare pant. That outfit is great too. Cute. So I'm seeing different skin colors, different hair types, different hair colors, different body types. I am living for that. That is awesome. Oh, I love that. I like the modernization of some of the outfits and the scenery. I think that's great. Love the hat. hair is so glamorous. I like that they chose like a pink and purpley palette for that. That's pretty. The red little blanket or sheet can be interpreted in a few different ways. So I've noticed that all the pages have these little butterfly / fairy wings, which I love. I'm loving all of the body inclusivity. This is amazing. And the queens have crowns, and then I believe the kings have the witch hats. So that's really cool. All right, I think this is our last suit here. Cups. Oh my gosh, those pants give me a flashback too. Clap for the boots, man, those are awesome. Oh, I love it. And the last one. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Ooh, look at that. Not an issue. It feels good. I like the size of it. And we're going to shuffle it the other way here. Yeah, I don't mind it at all. I think it'll be good. It feels lightweight because it is a thinner cardstock. But I like that. It does feel really, really good. Okay, so we're going to read for the Empress because that is the one that came out first. Little reminder. Okay, and oh, it's really cool. We have a different page color for the majors and then the minors there. So that's really cool. Alrighty, Empress, get in touch with Mother Nature and all her earthly influences. Reflection questions. Am I embracing the creative energies the universe is offering? Have I listened when nature speaks to me? Then we have an affirmation. The world around me inspires me to create something meaningful. And upright, we have feeling a burst of creativity, nature's influence, a birth of a new idea, relationship, or even a child. And then we have reversed, neglecting your own needs, feeling emotionally overwhelmed, and disconnection from your intuition. Interesting. So it's not like a bunch of info all at once. I think this is a really great way to start out if you're feeling overwhelmed with starting out in tarot, because it can be very intimidating to try to learn all 78 cards or get all the info. So this kind of breaks it down in a really nice way. I love the additions of the affirmations, especially if you are one to do a daily pull. You can pull this card and then use the affirmation for throughout your day, which is a fantastic way to go about the start of your day, for some meditation time, for some self-care time in the morning or in the evening even. I really like how this is set up. If you always, I should say, if you need more in-depth information that the guidebook is not providing, it's always great to get yourself a nice resource book. I do have a video collection on that should you want to take a look at what I have got in my collection. But as far as just a deck to get you started, to get you going, or just another deck that has a different way of viewing the tarot, this is great for that. I think the price point is really nice, considering the inside editions are a little bit more expensive now than the $24.99. So that's a really good price point, I think, for me personally. I think that's really good to see. Cardstock, like I said, not a big issue. This is a modern deck that I am very excited about because of its inclusivity. Yes, it's all feminine energy, and that might be not something for everybody, but for those of you who enjoy that and want to use this more as a personal deck, this is fantastic for you. I really hope that going forward we see more of this, where we have all the different body types, shapes, colors of skin, hair. I think this is fantastic. This would be great to continue to see. This, to me, is a modern deck. So, all that to say, I am happy with it. I'm excited to start getting to use it and getting to know it a little bit better. Now I would like to know what you guys think. Please let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. I love to hear them because, like I said, everybody's different and everybody likes different things or prefers different things for their own use. So that's always great to see. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. I appreciate the heck out of you. Don't forget to check out my link tree. If you want to request a deck and want it to get it to the top of the list, I do have channel memberships and a Patreon that you can join to boost your picks and all different other perks there as well. So check those out too. And if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me and it helps me out. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.